Hello again guys. WhatsApp added a new feature for proxy settings for both iOS and Android. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up. It's very easy. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if WhatsApp is updated. If not, click on the button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Find Option Storage and Data. Click on it. Then click on Proxy. Enable the proxy by clicking here. And proxy is now enabled. Now you need to enter an IP address where you want the app to look. So when the app connects, you can use it without a problem. When you enter the address, click on Save. If everything is okay, it will show you a message that the connection is successful. My IP doesn't work because it is not real. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.